Hi, I'm John Orlando, and I want to show you how a teacher might use Taskade to help students manage group projects. Now I've logged into Taskade, and there's a free option as well as premium options like nearly every online app nowadays. I'm here on my home page, and this first page is the page with the projects. I can also log tasks. You see there are none right here. There's this interesting roadmap which will show me what's due in the coming days. There are templates which I'll go over in a bit. And when a task is completed or a project's completed, it goes into a completed section. Now, one thing you do when you start is create a workspace. So I've already done that, and this is my workspace. And a workspace houses one or more projects. You can also create multiple workspaces. The good thing is you can invite people to collaborate on a workspace or collaborate on projects within a workspace. When you first create an account in Taskade, you get a sample template called Get Started with Taskade. And we'll go click that one because it gives a good idea of how Taskade works. When you open a project, the default is this list view. And you see all the different tasks that you can then categorize. Note, for each task, once it's completed, you can click it, and that says it's completed. It will put a line through it, or unclick. You can also drag tasks up or down as much as you want. There are other functions, add due dates to tasks. You can mention people or other projects using this function here. Of course, you can add tasks, and you can add categories. Now, a nice feature is you can change how tasks appear. So right now it's in a list. I can change to a board. And now you can see all the same things, though they're appearing more like a board view. Here we have a sidebar I'll just get rid of here. I can also click Action, which comes up as kind of a list view, but you notice that certain things are added, which makes it easier to see what actions are due. For instance, it's very easy to add the due date now right next to any particular task. It's easy to assign people to any particular tasks. You can also upload documents, and notice that you can upload files. You can also even upload or probably just link to YouTube, Vimeo, all these different apps that are integrated. You can also upload files from your computer, Google Drive, Dropbox, Instagram Box, things like that. Interesting, there's a timer task, which is somewhat interesting. I guess maybe you would use it for some kind of live project or live event. And there are more different things you can do here as well. Duplicate, you can highlight with certain colors, you can change the sort, mention or tag using hashtags and the at a symbol, things like that, and of course delete. And now let's go back to the workspace. Now we want to show you the various templates because they really do have quite a few. So I'll go up to templates here. And you note that there's a variety of templates. There's a weekly planner template. If I click that, it'll show I can create goals, different days, personal tracker. Again, that's already filled in with categories. Of course, these can all be edited. But if you come down to the bottom, you can browse templates. And these look like they're mostly created by users. So let's click School Project Plan. This is a template that's set up specifically to be used as a project. We'll click Open. Here it is. It's already opened up. And this is nice for giving students who are assigned to do projects a starting point. So they come in here and they know, okay, we need a description, title, what the project's about. We'll insert the group members in the next column. Then we'll have division of responsibilities. We'll make sure to give due dates. We'll have records of revisions and finished project due dates, plus notes. So this template is a really good starting point for students to work on their projects. And you give it to a group of students, it will help them organize it and hopefully stay on task. The nice thing is a variety of ways to communicate. Note, if you come up here, you can click Start Call, and you can actually do a live video conference with your teammates. As an instructor, I suggest setting up projects for each student group who are assigned a project, maybe pre-populating them with group members to get them started, and then send them on the way. Now, by doing this within your own workspace, you'll be able to manage progress in the group. You can look into each group's project and see if they're moving along. Give it a try. Thanks.